We at Mitsubishi Electric are committed to meeting the needs of customers through our CNC business, aiming to be the best partner for your success. We began developing numerical controllers in 1956. Now, more than half a century later, our innovative technologies and superior product reliability are contributing to the continuous advancement of machine tools around the globe. Our continued growth as a comprehensive FA solutions provider is the result of providing all of the FA products needed on the shop floor. Mitsubishi Electric's range of total solutions, from PLCs, drive units and human-machine interfaces, to EDMs, laser processing machines and robots, has been well accepted with great success in various manufacturing environments. A comprehensive FA solutions provider. That's the Mitsubishi Electric advantage. Mitsubishi Electric is recognized as a global manufacturer of machine tool CNCs. Our systems operate night and day in factories worldwide. This surely encourages us to make efforts to further support our customers. Everything we do is for the success of our customers. That includes our commitment to being the best partner for them. Mitsubishi CNCs contribute to customers in three ways: technologies, solutions, and support. The first is Mitsubishi Electric's advanced technological power. Utilizing our original cutting-edge technologies, cultivated as a comprehensive FA solutions provider, we're advancing machinery, machining techniques, and manufacturing technologies. Our high-speed control technologies, like the high-speed PLC engine, enables accurate die mold machining. OMRDD control allows highly accurate tapping. These original Mitsubishi Electric technologies were developed in pursuit of shorter machining time. From working program computation to servo control, everything is measured in nanometers. This innovative complete nano control technology led to an evolutionary breakthrough in highly accurate machining. Moreover, optimum control technologies like SSS control enable the correction of die mold cutting path programs in reduced machining time while ensuring a smooth surface finish. We determine what customers need from the manufacturer's viewpoint and focus on technological advancement in our research and development. Second, Mitsubishi CNCs offer customers optimal solutions that help improve value. A highly customizable CNC environment enables customers to bring out the maximum potential of their machines, making our CNCs ideal for advanced machining needs. In every phase, from setup to production and maintenance, we provide a variety of support tools and optimum applications to enhance the usability of CNCs and machines. With our enriched FA products, we are offering customers solutions that reduce the total cost of ownership, such as productivity enhancement, energy savings, and ensuring environmental compliance on shop floors. And third, Mitsubishi CNCs contribute to our customers by providing a full range of support. Mitsubishi Electric's global service network provides complete support, including advanced technical capabilities and prompt response. This enables customers to use their machines with confidence. Additionally, targeting zero machine downtime, we offer optimal service and maintenance packages to prevent malfunctions. Our goal is lifetime support. To support our customers' valued machines in the years to come, we offer a comprehensive lifetime service plan. We have the advanced CNC product line to meet customers' needs. The high-grade M700V series provides unprecedented levels of productivity and operation ease, owing to its high speed and complete nano-control. The high-speed performance and superior compatibility of our M70 series are setting global benchmarks. And the C70 series CNCs incorporate MELSEC PLCs for optimum integration of control and communications in production lines. Produced in an advanced development environment and under strict quality control at our Nagoya works in Japan, Mitsubishi CNCs provide the utmost safety and reliability. Offshoring is a trend in the manufacturing industry. Mitsubishi CNCs provide the optimum technologies, solutions, and support for customers moving forward under such circumstances. Our desire is to advance together with them. To be the best partner for your success. That is our goal at Mitsubishi Electric.